Today, I'm going to teach you about chamomile.
OMG. What's that? I want to be a nurse. I need to know these things.
A herb has many uses. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should not use it.
What is it used for?
Common uses are for GI and inflammatory issues. It aids in digestion. It is used as a sedative. It can help with colic. It's also good for generalized anxiety disorder.
What is a safe amount to give?
For adults, tablets from 400–1600 milligrams daily in divided doses.
What contraindications does it have?
If you are allergic, pregnant, or breastfeeding, you can't take chamomile.
Okay, cool. Once I become a nurse, what nursing implications will I be responsible for?
You would look out for abdominal distension and listen to bowel sounds, monitor the sleep and anxiety levels before starting herbal supplement. Assess skin integrity.
Awesome. What teaching needs are important?
Consult your doctor before starting. Don't take with other meds, especially blood thinners. Pregnant or lactating moms shouldn't use it, period.
As far as adverse reactions, what could happen?
Allergic reactions like anaphylaxis and contact dermatitis.
What will be the desired outcome if I use chamomile?
Relief of gas pains, aid in digestion, reduce feeling of fullness, promote sleep, and resolve skin irritation.
Thanks for the information. You're the bomb.